Welcome to the future of energy. This is how high-performance lithium-ion batteries are born. It all begins with high-purity raw materials, lithium, cobalt, and graphite, measured to perfection. These materials are blended into a sophisticated, conductive chemical slurry. Precision is key. Every batch is tested for perfect chemical consistency. Thin sheets of aerospace-grade aluminum foil serve as the foundation for the cathode. The active material is coated onto the foil with extreme sub-micron precision. The coated sheets travel through advanced industrial ovens to solidify the energy layers. Simultaneously, golden copper foil is coated with graphite to create the battery's anode. High-pressure calendaring rollers compress the sheets to maximize energy density. Automated laser sensors ensure the thickness is uniform across the entire roll. Powerful lasers precision cut the material into narrow electrode strips. These strips are then wound into reels, ready for the assembly phase. The layers are wound together with a separator into what we call a jelly roll. This core is then inserted into a high-strength, nickel-plated steel canister. Ultrasonic welding secures the electrical tabs, ensuring a flawless flow of power. The top assembly and safety valves are precision-fitted to the cylinder. All air and moisture are extracted in a vacuum chamber to prevent internal degradation. The cell is then injected with a high-purity liquid electrolyte to enable ion flow. A final laser weld creates a permanent, hermetic seal for maximum safety. The finished cells are cleaned and polished to remove any microscopic residue. During formation, the batteries are charged for the first time to activate their chemistry. Every single cell is monitored by AI to ensure peak electrical performance. We push them to the limit, testing durability in extreme heat and freezing cold. Advanced X-ray scanning confirms the internal structure is 100% defect-free. A protective, flame-retardant polymer sleeve is applied for electrical insulation. Each unit is laser-marked with a unique ID for lifetime traceability. Individual cells are then integrated into high-voltage packs for electric vehicles. The finished products are carefully packed into specialized, shock-absorbent housing. Our engineers provide the final seal of approval, meeting the highest global standards. Reliable, sustainable, and ready to power the world. This is the new era of energy.